Patience is one of the most important things that you need when trading. When I first started, I didn't have a lot of patience. I wanted to jump into everything, and that is exactly what the rest of the world is teaching you from the trading aspect. These are examples of what not to do. Don't jump into something and just hope and think that something's going to work out for you. This right here is H&R Block, and the reason I'm showing you both charts is because I want to show you the moving averages here and how we have this little head and shoulders pattern and this big flagpole, but what we think is going to happen has not happened yet. So now let me make this a lot bigger and show you what's going on. So the first thing that I notice here, and the first thing that gets me really excited about this stock, is we have a flagpole. We have a big flagpole. And what always happens to flagpoles, if you watch me for any length of time, flagpoles come right down because there's none of these W formations created. It's just a straight up line, and straight up lines come straight back down. Now, I'm noticing that my stochastic is starting to get that rollover, and I'm waiting for it to teeter down here. When it gets to this level, when it breaks this 33, it is going to fall like a flying crowbar. I promise you that. It's just, when is that going to happen? This is when you need to exude patience. This thing can go higher and higher. This thing can go to $40 a share before it comes back down. You don't want to get caught losing in there. You want to wait until it hits. So H&R Block, I'm explaining to you this because a lot of people in the Bid and Ask Nation have just been saying, Mo, when can I get an H&R Block? When can I get an H&R Block? I got into H&R Block. What do I do? Well, you didn't follow the rules. Here's what is holding us up with H&R Block. Another little tip that my experience shows me. We're hugging this 25-day moving average. So all of these things put together make me say, I need to exude patience. And thankfully, I have exuded that patience because I've been doing this for a very long time. A lot of the reason that people do not have the patience is because they have FOMO. They think to themselves, I have to grab this thing before this thing falls, whatever this large percentage is. I was in your shoes. I was once in your shoes. Trust me, the more you understand, the less you will fear. The more you understand these rules, the less you're going to have that fear of missing out, because you know that eventually your process is going to work over a long period of time. I'm going to show you one more stock and a reason that we need patience. Now, this is Altria Group. Now, Altria Group has a big red candle down today. At some point today, this candle looked like this. And it had that long wick on it. And what does that long wick mean? The wick means that the stock price moved down and then it rebounded right back up. Don't like that. This is why we needed to exude patience. I said to everybody when we were trading this morning live at 10:15 every Monday through Thursday, I said to everybody, I need to wait until about 2 to 3 o'clock and see, do we have an engulfing candlestick before I do anything with this stock? Yes, we have an engulfing candlestick, so this will probably be something that I'm interested in shorting. But I needed to show patience to make sure that this thing didn't just run down and then run back up on this news of the FDA banning Juul. I don't know what the reaction was going to be, but I wanted to make sure that my reaction was going to be correct. With that being said, I'll catch you on the flippity flop. Watch this next video on day trading.